Friends, this is Professor Dr. Sanjay Raut. I'm the CEO of Innovation Solution Lab Applications. So, Innovation Solution Lab is an amazing platform working on innovation solutions, future disruption in business, and ancient technologies and strategic growth. So, we have planned for Virus Economy series books. So, it's an amazing book of global authors. We are releasing now for the Virus Economy Series 3. So let's hear from the author about their experiences with Innovation Solution and about their books and chapters. So I hope and I appreciated that all the people throughout the globe will be giving their love and valuable feedback for this book, and we are trying our best to leverage more things in future for contribution on research development and innovation spheres. Thanking you all. So let's hear from the amazing authors about their experiences with Innovation Solution
Hi friends, my name is Rajkumar Jaju. I am an ICT professional and I have worked with several multinational organizations pertaining to e-governance and mission mode projects and several project portfolio initiatives. I have written a few points related to economic impact of coronavirus and several other viruses and how those viruses have impacted our economy as a cosmopolitan outlook. I am gratitude adequately to Innovation Solution Labs to bestow me such a tremendous opportunity, and I would like to be thankful to many persons involving in the growth of this organization. I would recommend to all of you to read this Virus Economy series book once, and you will be actually feeling a different kind of theme in yourself. So I would like to give a kudos to Innovative Solution Labs for paving the pathway for several opportunities and advancements, and the subcontinental subway of economic growth and advancement as a global. All the best and kudos.
Hi, my name is Jahid. I am a co-author of our two chapters in this series, 3, Viral Economy. In the bottom line of our two chapters, there are two messages. One, that biopolitics has been manipulating, controlling, and measuring the people, particularly the marginal people, indigenous people, and we put some examples in the context of Bangladesh. So, in contrast, in this pandemic and the new normal coming up, we propose that indigenous holism and holism can be a way to combat the vaccinationalism that UN Secretary General has been put his concern, and we do propose that this should be implied. Buy the book, share the book, and good luck. Thank you to the editor. Best of luck.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Priyanka Raheja. I'm working as PGT Economics with GD Goenka Public School, Rohini. I'm glad to announce that after 2 successful editions of Virus Economy, that is Virus Economy 1 and 2, Innovate Solution Lab is coming up with the 3rd edition, that is Virus Economy 3. I'm very happy that my chapter on donut economy is also a part of this esteemed book. So I'm eagerly waiting for the book. Go grab your copies once it is out. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Baljeet Kaur and I am from Delhi. I have done Masters in Commerce. I am obliged to get an opportunity to put forward my viewpoints. The takeaway from this content is a drastic downfall in the economy due to COVID-19 across the globe. The main focus area in my research was GDP, in which I have shown the contribution of the individual countries and their share in the global GDP, and also how this pandemic is going to influence the GDP growth future? And how does India plan to recover from this pandemic? It was really good to interact and work with Innovation Solution Lab publication, and I really had a great experience. I would like to thank Dr. Sanjay Raut, who gave me an opportunity to be a part of this. And give valuable feedback. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ashi Goyal. I'm currently studying in class 12th. I am from a background of commerce with maths, and my school name is Chiri Goenka Public School. So, I wrote about COVID's impact on our education sector recently. Talking about COVID's impact on our education sector, COVID has both negative as well as positive impact. So I conducted a survey of 169 people to know that how has this disease affected our education system. So my paper is going to be published in a book named Virus Economy Series 3. And the author of the book, Mr. Sanjay Raut, is a great author as he is very cooperative and very intellectual. So I would like to thank him for his guidance as well as Innovation Solution publication. And to the audience who are watching this video, I would request them to go and read this chapter and purchase its ebook. Thank you.